In this video, we are creating object templates, add BIM parameters to them, and save an Excel list on the computer of the created architectural elements. Click on the BIM Libraries button on the ribbon bar and select the BIM object application. On the website, search for solar panels and download one that you like. The preferred file format is Revit or SketchUp. Import the downloaded object into ARCHLine.XP. The object will be opened in sketch mode, where you can make the necessary modifications and save the object into the library. Set the name of the object and select the desired folder. Click OK to save the object and exit sketch mode. Now the object is available in the library and you can place it in the project. This solar panel is not placed with an angle, so we need another one. Delete the object from the project and open the 3D warehouse. Search for solar panels in the 3D warehouse and find the right one for the purpose. Download it and set the name and its place in the library. Place the solar panel on the roof, set the correct base elevation and rotate it so it faces south. Move it to its final position. Make sure that the solar panel is placed so that it can receive the most possible sunlight during the day. Create multiply copies of the solar panel to fit the available space. In this case, we have space for 6 additional solar panels. Now create an object template from the solar panels on the roof. First, select the solar panels and then click on the New Object Template comment on the ribbon bar. Select the parent element of the template and save it in the library with the required name. Place the object template on the roof behind the previous row of solar panels. Now ARCHLine.XP handles this row of solar panels as if they were a group of the object. Multiply the object templates of the solar panels to cover the roof of the building. As you can see, some of the solar panels are in the way and collide with the building. We need to modify the affected object templates to make sure there is enough space to walk around. Hide the elements that are not needed. A convenient way is to use the Manage Components dialog, where you can add new, change, hide, and delete components. You can also add or delete new hotspots to each element of the object template. Find the object template in the library and place one on the other side of the roof. Multiply the solar panels so they cover the whole roof. Select all the solar panels on the roof. When you select an element that is part of an object template, the whole template will be selected. Click on the File menu, BIM, Add Classification command. Select the Choose from the BSDD database button. Select ATIM from the drop-down list and type solar into the search box. This way, only those parameters will be listed that contain the word solar. Select the desired parameter from the list and fill in the values required. These parameters are added as BIM parameters to the object, which can be exported in documentations and EFC models. This feature makes communication between different branches of the construction industry effective and self-explanatory. We are now ready with the editing of the project. Start the documentation by creating an Excel list of the Smart Objects assembly elements. In the file, you can see that the BIM parameters added to the solar panels are listed in the Properties. Different tabs show different parameters and calculations.